Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. This is a live video, so this is actually also a test run. But what I'm going to be doing on this video is I'm going to be talking about video marketing and how it can help you promote your business or promote whatever it is that you're pursuing uh, to get in front of an audience and really build that connection with people is so important, especially with my online business that I promote, because in the end, people do join people. And so this is going to be my first live video. So actually, no, I think I did a live video a couple of years ago, but the only way I'm going to get better at it is if I keep doing it. So anyways, to get back to the topic, video marketing is very important because if you're not getting seen and heard, then how are people going to build that relationship and to join your opportunity or whatever it is that you promote, or say you're pursuing a different dream or goal? You want to build that audience. And about 2 years ago, no, actually 3 years ago. Wow, time flies. I created my YouTube channel. I have over 71 videos on there now, and and when I first started, I was very, very nervous. And what I did was I just took my phone here, and I just when I was driving to work or to like a delivery or something, I would just put it on my my window mount, and then I would just hit record and start talking to people about what I promote and all that stuff. And also what I would like to mix it up with, I would also mix it up with not just promoting my business, but also promoting just promoting motivational stuff in general. Just don't give up on whatever it is that you're going after. Just keep taking action every day and keep moving forward. You're going to have roadblocks. You may have people that don't agree with what you're doing. Whatever it is, just keep moving, and eventually you will find some success in whatever it is that you do. So I'm not going to specifically talk about my business. I'm just talking about the topics of how to promote a business and how important it is to get seen and heard by people. So to get back to my story was back 2 years ago, I started my YouTube channel, and I just started just doing a lot of videos from my car. It doesn't have to be perfect. It really doesn't. But I used my phone. Basically I used my phone, and I would just do a topic, and the key to doing it is to keep on doing it. It gets easier over time. As you can see, I may skip over some words because this is live too. I can't do it over, but the thing is you really have to just keep doing it. And I'm not saying you have to do live videos like I'm doing right now. You can just do, like I said, just do videos with your phone, engage with your audience. Like what I do online business, what I like to do is to try to build a relationship, a connection with the person, to let them know that I truly believe in my business, and I believe in helping others find the success that they want. But it's just making that connection, and that's the importance of video marketing. Is you just gotta keep at it, and it does get easier over time. And I did a video last night for my business on the compensation plan in our business. And what I did in that is I tried to make it so everyone can understand it, and it came out very good. I think it was like one of my very first, I think it's one of my best videos to date. So the key is also, when you're doing videos, the thing that I try to do is I pretend like, yeah, I'm staring at a camera. I'm not really talking to a person at the very moment, except when it's live like this. But I pretend as if like I'm talking to a friend, and 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 by doing stuff like that, it kind of makes it easier. So the more you do it, the easier it gets. It really does. And getting seen and heard is so important, especially if you're promoting a business. You don't want to just hide behind a sales funnel or a sales page or a landing page, whatever. You want to be out there. You want to build your brand. You want to get out there to help other people, because in the end, that's how you find success, by helping others find success too. And so this video isn't going to be a really long video. Like I said, this is kind of like a test run, but I also wanted to put a topic in there, so I'm not just, so I have something to talk about. So what I'm also going to do with this video is I'm going to turn it into a training on how to upload a Facebook Live video to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to also turn it into a training on my YouTube channel. So yeah, so the more you do it, the easier it gets. And sometimes just getting out of your comfort zone is, if you start getting out of your comfort zone and you start pushing yourself to do more, you grow more. A lot of people, they just get really scared to be in front of a camera, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. So if you are interested to take a look at my video I did last night, you can. It's on my timeline, and it goes through the whole compensation plan and everything. It's a really good video. But so that's pretty much all I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to do more of these live videos, and I'm going to do more live videos and just see where it goes, because the more I do these live videos, the easier it'll get too. So I've done a few live videos on YouTube, but I have a little practice doing it live. But in the end, when you're doing videos, whether they're live or not live, it's not so much that they have to be perfect in every way. They really don't. The only time I will do a video over is if it's like a really big mistake I said, and if I'm trying to put a point across. But if you're worried about your appearance or whatever, it really doesn't matter. What really matters is getting your message out there. It's just getting your message out there so people can see you, and not just seeing a link in a Facebook post or or on some other social post that you put out there. You want to also engage with your audience. So as I can see, I don't really have an audience right now because I've seen a few people come in and go, but it's also very late right now, and it's a Friday night. So yeah, just keep doing it. And this goes with anything that you're going after. The more you do something, the more practice you get, and the more you get better. So I hope you guys like this video. Since I will be posting this on my YouTube channel, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. And also hit that notification bell when you hit the notification button, because that way you'll get notified when I upload content on YouTube. And also the link to my online business will be in the description on my YouTube channel. And the reason why I'm saying YouTube is because, like I said, I'm going to turn this into a training as well. I'm going to show people how to upload their Facebook Live posts onto their YouTube channel as well. So that's all for this live event. And I hope you enjoy the video in the replay. But I've seen a few people, like I said, pop in and out. It's probably too boring for them. I don't know. But I hope you enjoy your night and your weekend this weekend. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.